I've always been fascinated with coins from different places, the different size, the different shapes, and the different colors that they are. You maybe wonder, could I 3D design and print a coin of my own? Well, I got the idea for this from Angus at his channel Maker's Muse. He goes over a design in Fusion 60, and he has a couple different YouTube videos and tutorials of how to design a coin he calls a Makercoin. I followed his instructions and used the same shape and profile, and then added my 7 in All Makes logo to it. You can see that that's recessed in the middle, and then I'm adding a small little half circle to the outside rim, and then going to rotate that around the edge of the coin so it has a nice feel to it. He shows some different makes of his in different colors. So here's the design in Fusion 60 after following his tutorial. I then was ready to send it to my printer, my Creality Ender 3 version 2 printer. And you can see the different colors that I used to print. I really like how they came out. So here's how my Makercoin turned out. I'm pretty happy with the results. As you can see, the back is flat, and this helped with bed adhesion for it to stick to the bed and then to be printed. The top is concave, so it has a nice feel right where your thumb would go. You can see that I've put the 7 in All Makes logo in each of the coin. You could do similar, put a favorite logo, put your initials. You could raise it up, or you could recess it just like this. Again, I'm thinking this will be the currency of my kingdom. We could pay for chores with different coins. We could assign different value. The gold will of course be the highest value. Next will be silver. What color should be next? You could also find different games to play with this. Maybe some sort of carom game. Maybe these could substitute for checkers or chess, or maybe other game pieces that are missing. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed making, designing, and printing the Makercoin. Have you learned something? Please give us a like. Also, we'd love for your support for the channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.